a big one on. Oh, I got a screamer. Just pull the line. Untangle. This is a good fish. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. My name's Chris King. It's January 1st, so Happy New Year. Target is perch today. I haven't really targeted the perch yet this year. There are brook trout and rainbows in this particular lake, so we might hook one of those. We got 0 degrees, it's puking down snow, and light winds right now, but we got 40-kilometer gusts in the forecast, so yeah, let's see if we can hook a couple fish. Instant. Like I said, there are brook trout in here, so that was pretty much instant. I got a bunch of marks down there, which I hope are perch. This guy just comes shooting through the pack and nailed it instantly. There's another fish. 2 of them coming up. Fish on. Fish on. This might be a perch. Oh, what a beautiful brookie. It's loaded down there. There's another nice brookie. Instant. The second I got down there, I smashed it. Sweet. All I've got on there is that little tungsten jig with a ruby on the forehead and a little bit of maggot, a couple maggots. I'm going to put one more on there, but that's pretty much it. Got a fish on me again. Instant. Holy smokes, they're aggressive today. That's 3 fish in about. Another nice brookie. This is sick. Forgot I gotta start measuring these for the derby I'm in, but there's another brookie. That's 3 drops in a row. Instant action. Can't even get my line down. That's 3 brook trout and 3 drops. I can't even get down to the school of fish I'm going after, which is probably perch. The brookies are just coming up and smashing it before I can even get down there. Got him. Not very big, might be a perch. Oh, look at that. Jumbo. Frickin' jumbo. Absolute jumbo. That's all I'm looking for. Look at that. Frickin' jumbo. Oh, I got a big one on. Oh, I got a screamer. Just pull the line. Untangled. This is a good fish. Big fish. Definitely a trout or a big bass. are some good rainbows here too. Get close. Oh, it's a big brook trout. Big brook trout. Oh, he's all wrapped in the line. He's all wrapped up. Nice. Nice. Look at that beauty. Look at that. My line was literally going down 5 feet below the ice and he just smashed it and started pulling the line. Here we go. There's a mark. Right on it, right on it. Oh, I got 2 marks coming up. Fish on. Fish on. Feels like another perch. Triangled up in the deuce here. Oh, there's tons down there. It's loaded. Get back down there quick. Looking right at it. There we go. Fish.
There you are.
Yeah. Just gotta tease them, get them off the bottom. That's when they'll bite. Feels like a perch. Oh yeah, jumbo.
Oh, look at them.
Yeah.
Jeez.
And today I'm just using pink maggots and a little jig. Yeah.
All right. I'm just waiting on my bait to come.
Okay. But yeah, get down near the bottom. So all those little lines are perch.
Right.
And anywhere within 5-10 feet of the bottom, you're probably good to go.
Sweet.
Nice. There we go.